These days, we spend up to 10 times more with our devices than we do with our children. Which memories will last a lifetime for your child? Memorable gifts that get them excited. Happy moments with their loved ones. Those special times spent playing with friends. Unforgettable journeys to distant lands, and how creative things came to life. They will remember. As one game ends, another one begins. Cherished evenings with the family, and exceptional bedtime stories. As the little kids drift away, the big kids come out to play.
Bushnell Outdoors developed PowerSync to power those off-the-grid adventures, whether it's a family camping trip or a backcountry hike. The fact of the matter is that more and more of us are taking portable electronic devices into the outdoors. And inevitably that means that at some point during each one of those adventures, those devices will need a charge. So when setting out to design a portable solar product, Bushnell Outdoors had a simple mission: develop a simple, rugged, and portable power solution. You know, it all begins with simplicity. With an integrated high-capacity lithium-ion battery, PowerSync collects energy from the sun using technologically advanced solar panels. That allows you to charge your device through the USB port when it's most convenient for you, day or night. It's a unique feature you can really count on, and it's only from Bushnell. In addition to simplicity, PowerSync is inherently rugged. With a 65-year history of building products to enhance the outdoor experience, Bushnell understands the importance of durability and reliability. Each PowerSync product is protected by a rubber armor case that's built to withstand the wear and tear that comes with adventure. And in addition, each solar panel is redundantly wired so that if one cell is damaged, It only affects the performance of that one individual cell. The final component is portability. The solar technology used in the PowerSync product line is rollable or foldable, making the device easy to store or to deploy. And it's not just portable. The PowerSync products are extremely lightweight, with the solar book weighing just 1.5 pounds and the solar wrap just 10 ounces. Simple, rugged, and portable. PowerSync by Bushnell Outdoors, the simple way to power your device off the grid.
Our world has changed drastically over the past decade. With the advent of new technologies, we have seen a revolution in mobility. We can now run our lives from virtually anywhere. The problem? We all want to boost productivity, but how can we do it? Introducing Scan Wireless, the world's first wireless scanner mouse. Our product is small and portable and gives users more freedom than ever before. It's the ultimate solution for working anywhere with just a click. Everything you scan will display instantly on your computer screen. Work smart and increase your efficiency with Scan Wireless. It has the ability to scan tables and text in only a few swipes. You can even direct edit on your documents. Plan your romantic journey by using Scan Wireless. Just glide Scan Wireless over travel books and magazines and create the ultimate itinerary in a snap. Found something worth sharing with your friends? Simply swipe Scan Wireless over the area you like and share on your social media pages with a single click. Be an adventurous eater. Scan Wireless can help you to translate foreign languages and make sure you can try new things and actually know what they are. Scan Wireless can even organize everything for you. You can conveniently organize your most important notes and meeting minutes and store in Evernote.
Hi, I'm Sam. My team is passionate to make innovative products to improve your daily life. This is our P-Production prototype. Just one more step to make it happen. Share with your fans and come support us on Indiegogo. Thank you. Your support matters.
The device has two modes, passive and active. The passive voice muffling mode is provided by the insulator, which is embedded inside the mask, as well as by the ergonomic embouchures, which, on the one hand, prevent your voice from spreading beyond the mask, and from the other hand, keep the external noise from getting into the microphone. So the person on the other end will hear you clearly, but the people nearby will not be able to understand a single word which you've pronounced while wearing the mask. The active voice masking mode is provided by the electronics, which is located in the headband. The button pressing activates the external speakers, which are located on the perimeter of the mask. These speakers will generate sound. While using the mask in the active mode, the resulting sound will, in any case, be lower than the sound from your voice itself without a mask, so you will not cause any inconvenience to others.
On behalf of the entire Hashmi team, I would like to thank you all for following us and supporting our project.
Hashmi, keep talking.